Right, today I'm doing a pork and apricot stew with Moroccan spices. So I've got 500 grams of lean pork stewing meat. I've got 100 grams of ready to eat dried apricots cut in half, a large onion chopped, an ounce of flaked almonds, 1.5 tablespoons of honey, 1.5 tablespoons of tamarind paste, some cooking oil, a heaped teaspoon of ground coriander, a level teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a level teaspoonful of turmeric. I've got about a tablespoonful of oil in the pan, just going to add in the onions. I'm going to cook these quickly till they start to brown around the edges. So the onions are browning, we're adding in the pork. You need to keep the pork moving so that it's sealed, but we don't want it to get any colour on it. Adding the spices now to the pan. I'm going to stir well to cover the meat in the spices. See, if you brown the meat before you add the spices won't soak into the meat, they don't absorb them, so that's why we don't brown it or seal it. We want these spices to soak in. Now I'm adding in the honey and the tamarind paste. Just grate that out. Make sure it all goes in there. Another good oak stir. Now we're ready to top up this with boiling water from the kettle. Just enough to cover the meat. Smelling wonderful already. So bring that back to a simmer. Then we're going to simmer that for about 2 hours until the meat's almost tender. Right, the meat's almost cooked now, so I'm going to tip in the apricots. I'm going to cook them for about 15 to 20 minutes and then everything should be done. shall taste it for seasoning at the end, and then we're going to finish it off with the toasted flaked almonds and serve it with some lovely whole grain rice. Got just a tiny knob of butter in this little frying pan. I'm just going to toss these almonds around just to toast them. As soon as they start to brown, I shall flip them over and take them off the heat. They don't take long, you've got to be careful not to burn them. That's it, the almonds are done now. Take them off the heat and put the pork back on. Right, the meat's cooked now, everything's ready to serve, so I'll just show you one that's plated up. There should be enough here to make 4 servings. So there it is, pork with apricots, Middle Eastern style, Moroccan style, with flaked almonds and whole grain rice. Yummy! Can't wait to tuck in. See you later. Bye.